Hello, welcome to the eMart customer app. So today let's see the workflow of the eMart car rental service. So click on a rental service. So this is the home screen of the car rental service. So fill all these details for book a rental car. On a top you can see a book with driver. If you want to book a car with a driver, then turn on the switch. Select the booking days. So current as of now I am select 2 days, 24th October and 25th October. Select start time. And select end time. Select pickup location from the map. Okay. If you want to drop off the car on a same location, then turn on a switch. And if you want to drop off the car on a different location, then turn off the switch and enter the drop off location. Click on a find car. Here you can see the available rentals car. So book the rentals car based on your choice. So for now I am book this Creta EX rental car. Here you can see the details of the car, the about. This is the car specifications, max power, speed of the car, the car information, the driver information, name, phone number, the gallery images, the review. On the top you can see the car rate and driver rate. So car rate is $50 and driver rate is $30. Click on a continue button. Okay, this is the order summary, the billing details screen. Here you can see the pickup date, time, drop off date, time, the promo code option, the booking summary, and the available payment methods. So for now I am go with the wallet balance and book the car. So the car is booked successfully and redirected to this booking screen. Here you can see the bookings of the car, booking details, locations, booking locations, date, time, and booking summary. After customer book this rental car, this rental request is go to the driver. Here you can see the car rental booked notification. So I am opening the driver app to see the bookings. Okay, so here you can see the booking is successfully received on a driver. On a driver can accept this booking or the decline this booking. By click on a booking, it will be redirect to the booking details screen, so driver can see the booking details, the pickup details, drop off details, and the total of the bookings. So let's click on the accept button and start the ride. Here you can see you can start the ride on your pickup date and time. So our pickup date and time is 12:45 p.m. and currently 12:40 p.m. So this booking So we can start this booking after 12:45 p.m. Okay, so current time is 12:45 p.m. 12:46 p.m. So let's click on a start ride. The driver can start the ride. Okay, driver is start the ride successfully, and push notification fire. Your ride is started. You can check this in a details, booking details. So now our ride is on a ongoing. Same on a customer side. Customer can also check this ride on a booking ongoing booking tab. Let's complete this ride. Click on a complete ride button. Okay, so ride is completed successfully, and this ride is showing in a completed tab. Same on a customer side, ride is showing in a completed tab. Okay, so now let's add the review for this ride for the driver. Click on add review button. Give the 5-star rating. Add review. Click on add review button. Review is submitted successfully. Now let's book another. Select the date. Select start time. Select end time. Select pickup location. Find a car. So for now I am not go with the book with driver option. Just I want the car, not the driver. So click on a find car. Go to SUV. Click on a create Creta EX. For these details I have already added on a driver side. Go to the driver app. Go to the car details. So I have already fill out this car information details on this screen, car details. Here you can see the 5-star rating, the review that I have recently submitted on my last booking. Click on a continue button. And book the car. So I am go with the Stripe payment. Click on a continue and enter the card number. Continue. The payment is successfully and the booking is created successfully. Here you can see the booking details in the booking request sent to the driver app. Okay, so on a driver side you can see the booking is successfully received on a driver side. Here you can see the push notification of the booking car. So accept this request and click on a start ride. So start ride is successfully done. By click on start ride, this push notification fire on a customer side that your ride is started, and the ride is showing on a ongoing tab on ride. Now let's complete this booking. Click on a complete ride. So the ride is completed successfully. You can check this completed ride on a completed tab. On a customer side is go in a completed tab. Ride is go in a completed tab. Click on a add review. So let's add review for this ride. Add review. So the review is submitted successfully. Now I am open a driver app for check the earnings. Go to the wallet screen. Here you can see the amount, booking amount is successfully added on a driver wallet balance. So these are the earnings of the driver. Okay, so that's all for the rental service. Thank you.